Hello everyone! Welcome to Xiaohei Classroom. In this section, we will introduce the use and operation of the 485 serial port free protocol of H312. First, you need to select and configure the communication protocol in the hardware configuration. Double-click the PLC on the rack to open its properties window. Select PPI ports, then protocol type selection. Then you can set the baud rate, data length, verification, stop bit, and the timeout time of receipt according to the actual application. Click OK when done. Then you need to call the sending and receiving instructions of the data in the program block. After we add the library to the software, it will appear under the library. Where the library has been added, named CTSI_Freeport. The library contains two instructions for receiving and sending. Let's take a look at the meaning of the instructions separately. Let's go to the definition. This is the receiving instruction. The following are descriptions of the meaning of the input and output pins. When triggered once, execute will send data once. Then port is the port number, corresponding to the port number you just saw in the hardware configuration. Then this is the timeout. And this is the maximum received data size. Data storage address pointer. Through the completion bit, you can see whether it is completed and whether there is an error. Big int, etc. can be obtained through the output. Then the sending instruction is the same. Set the port number here, the size of the data to be sent, and then the starting address pointer of the sent data. So let's go straight to the program. After triggering M0.0, it will perform reception, and after receiving the message, it will be stored in the address starting with VBO. Then the following is the send command. After triggering M0.1, it will send the content of 10 consecutive bytes starting from VB1, 0 to the other party. Let's use the debugging assistant as the other end of the free protocol to communicate with the PLC. Download the program to the PLC. Start monitoring in the program. Then look directly at the data interaction in the state table. Let's take a direct look at the data interaction between the two parties. VBO starts as the data receiving area. Let's trigger the receiving instruction first. You can see that the PLC has received the data. Next, use the PLC as the sending end, and the debugging assistant will receive the data. We will first write the content to be sent to the sending area. Then trigger M0.1 to send the data. Use the debugging assistant to send, and the PLC can also receive the data. In this way, we have realized the function of PLC using serial port free protocol communication. That's all. Thanks for watching.